Hello everybody, I know you're excited about this, but I think it's like 1 year ago. Like we're here to see the train. We went trick-or-treating. We have some Hershey's and all that stuff inside. No, this side. This side, come to this side. This has a beautiful set.
Oh, here it goes.
Here we go. Good. Nope. These things are not going down. Maybe that's why they would happen. Okay, here they go. There they go. Whoa, that was very fast. That very sound like a express train. We're gonna still see the video of the train going by the other crossings. Down there is some. Can I take a video? Bye. Yeah, there it goes. I know this is a little blind. You can see a train going by. Some goodbye, but goodbye to the goodbye train. And I noticed that there is another crossing way right down there. And I was taking a video of it going, and I know it was going down there. So bye, and there it goes. You can see it go by the crossings. So bye. Hopefully next time we will come here. Well, there's a bike train right down there that we can bike to here to see more trains. So bye. And I just remind you that there is like that box there that controls all the crossings. I think that's a big computer that when the crossing gets. So bye, and hopefully we will go on a bike ride to see the crossings go on.